friends. Welcome to our new episode of our massive 100-part video series on Excel AI Analytics to learn data analytics.
Whether you are a complete beginner or experienced user of Excel application, you will love to click on the button with purpose to know more about Excel Analytics with AI.
Welcome back, friends. We have previously discussed how to calculate the project value, but today we are tackling the most requested metric by executives and investors, that is XIRR. While standard IRR, internal rate of return, periodic, assumes your returns happen like clockwork once a year, the real world is unpredictable. XIRR allows us to calculate the internal rate of return for cash flows that are non-periodic. By assigning a specific date to every transaction, Excel's internal clock events for the exact time elapsed between payments. By assigning a specific date to every dollar in, every dollar out, Excel uses its internal clock to calculate your return with surgical accuracy. It bridges the gap between a rough estimate and a precise financial reality. When you see a result like this, you are looking at the most accurate version of your project's value. It tells you exactly what your effective annual interest rate is, down to the very day. For the modern day analyst, precision is the foundation of trust. Using XIRR ensures your models reflect the messy reality of business dates, providing a robust ROI analysis every time. It is the ultimate tool for defensible decision making. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to master Excel AI Analytics. Thank you.